Jabul are making TikTok with the song. He's singing a song. সামনে যা Yeah, huge. But I'm already point over. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Uzzol New Dream Blog. Few weeks later I start blog today because I have some problem for that I didn't come in the blog, and now today I'm coming in the tea street area, and it is the local area. The location is Sabazpur and Mollywood. So today I'm come here and I'm gonna show you the mountain and tea street area, and you can see a lot of tea or the tea street, and look at this behind me, so much area and so big tea street area. I'm gonna show you everything today in this vlog, and stay with me, and especially with me my friend Uzzol, so he will record some video for that, and I'm gonna show you everything. Stay with me and keep watching this video. This is the big scenery you can see in this mountain area. Look at this, wow, so beautiful. My background, look at this area, so all are tea garden. So if you see anywhere from these locations, you can see only tea garden everywhere. So beautiful, I would say, and naturally it's very good place. And the winter are nowadays, so for that the area is too cold, and if you come in the winter season, keep your warm cloth with you, otherwise you have to suffer and face a lot of cold weather in this area, because this is the mountain area, all over the tea, and the heavy cold in the evening in this area. So I'm climbing the mountain, and I have in a one rest area. I'm gonna show you. Look at this one rest area, and I'm climbing it's a little bit down in this area. Wow, this is the big area. Oh, this is the evening, and there is in a one place the people are sit here. Also there is some when the tourists come here, and I don't know, I'm gonna show you everything in this vlog. I have no idea for that, because the time is too short, and few hours later we'll be drunk in this area for that. And look at this the area, wow, look at this the view, awesome view, awesome area. Look at this, the so far the mountain and tea state area. Look at this the area, tea state everywhere you can see tea state area, and I have some of the house top on the mountain. Look at this, the house built by the tin sheet. And also in the other side, you can see the house in the mountain, top of the mountain, and it's looking very nice, I would say. Look at this. Wow, awesome area. And this is the great locations, I would say. I feel so great right now. Come here, and I'm gonna show you. I can show you the actual real beauty of the nature. So naturally, this place is very nice. Look at this, the tea or the tea street area. Look at this, the mountain, and so far, so beautiful place. As you can see, this is the red soil. Look at this, the area. Wow. Every place and every scenery is very beautiful. So beautiful. Jabul, I'm making TikTok with the song. He's singing a song. So I'm gonna go in this other side. So stay with me and keep watching this video. Show my background.
Video.
Yeah, video. So this side. So this side. This area. This is so beautiful area. You can see the lot of mountain area. I feel so great right now coming in these locations, and I'm right now on the top of the mountain, and I feel a lot of beautiful nature in this area from here, and I can see the lot of fog on the top of the mountain in the so far from here. So great place, I would say. I love so much this place. Look at this, the area, and I'm try to show you the close, and there is one small river going by this way, and this is the lever are working in the field. Look at this, and look at this, the actual scenery of this area. So beautiful, I would say. And look at this, the tea leaf, and so nice. And look at this, the outside of the view of this area from here, and so amazing area, I would say. And so colorful, so colorful. Look at this, the other side of this. Look at this, so far seems like in a fog drop on the mountain. Look at this, so beautiful, awesome. I enjoy so much in this area. So if you get the chance, you come with your family, and it is the nice place with the family tour. And look at this, the front area of this area, so beautiful. And it's looking very nice with the tree estate and tree garden. And I have in one small village maybe, and look at this, the one small village into the tea estate area. So beautiful. And I'm heading to the other side of this tea garden. Stay with me and keep watching this video.